Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a Chevy Volt window regulator 2011 through 2015. These are among the easier ones to do. My customer had already taken out the three, I believe they're 9/32 small bolts. There's, I'm about to show you, one right there, two right there. They were already out when I got there. You're going to pop off the door panel. And then there's one wiring harness for all the wires on the other side. It just unplugs. And then there's one clip that goes to the pull handle, to the handle that you open to get out of the door. They both come off quite easily. If you have any questions, go ahead, ask right here on YouTube, and I can answer them for everybody. Got two more of those small screws right there, holding that bracket on. If you find this video beneficial, do me a favor, like L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people find it on YouTube who are searching for help on how to fix the Chevy Cruze window. So you're going to go ahead and put the window up all the way. If you're having a problem, you can cut any of the metal, not the electrical, any of the metal cables if you need to. But once you do, you want to go ahead and loosen those two 10mm nuts that hold the clamps on. That one was on. The other side had already come off. Some of them might have already fallen off. You're going to put the window up. You need a suction cup. $2.99, $2.99, Harbor Freight Tools. That takes that down. 5 10mm bolts hold the regulator to the door. This is really easy. You'll have no problem doing this yourself. There are some videos out there of how to change just the clips. I have not done that yet. I've just been changing the entire regulator. So you're going to go ahead and unplug the window motor. There was a push in there that I was going to pull off with the plier, but it came out. Yeah, when I say you can cut the cable, that only applies if you're replacing the entire regulator. If you're trying to just replace the clips, don't cut the cable. Reach inside, make sure you get anything that's extra that's inside the door. Only fits in one way. And that's the little push in that goes into the hole on the regulator. There's two 10mm bolts already in the new regulator, assuming you got a factory regulator. Those line up quite easily. And now we're going to put the other the wider 10mm bolts in. The thin ones went at the top. Plug it in. And let's tighten those all down. Just take a second. For what it's worth, Bosch, B-O-S-C-H, Bosch tools, they are the best by far. I've had really good luck with them over the years. And now you're going to go ahead and put the key on. Well, I take that. You're going to push the button if it's a volt, it's an electric start. You're going to push the button, make sure it's running, so to speak. Plug in the wiring harness. Go ahead and use the switch to bring it up. And you might have to pull the clip a little bit towards you to line up with the glass. In a lot of cases it'll line up. What I just checked there was to make sure that the clip was on both sides of the glass. Tighten it up. Take the suction cup off. Let's try it out. Look at that. Little WD-40 on the channels on the top, the up and down channels. Don't soak it, just give it a quick, light spray. Do not go all the way up and down, and we're talking about the vertical channel, not the horizontal one that your arm would rest on if the window is open. You don't need much. Every 3 or 4 months, lightly give it a quick spray. Just a dab will do you. They just dry out. And I think that's everything you'll need. I'm going to go ahead and take off now and leave you to watch the rest of this. If you have any questions, ask right here. If this was beneficial, do me a favor, like the video. And thank you for watching.